Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've done something very special with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser with the call alert system. I don't know if you've seen it on YouTube with anyone else doing it, but we just thought we'd try this now. The reason being, there are a lot of customers that are saying they've seen them on CCTV where they've tried to attack their vehicles. I'm a bit concerned they're going to spend a little bit more time trying to rip the car to pieces. I've seen it before with other Immobilisers. So we want to know in the moment. So how the system works: thief grabs his key or copies the key or does a relay attack, jumps in the vehicle. As soon as I put it into gear, if you watch carefully, like the Ghost, vehicle cuts out. Now we're going to get something very special. So if you watch carefully, turn off the start button. There you go. It's trying to call us now. Okay, let's just answer it and just end the call. Okay. So basically now, if we're going to do a correct start, let's just start the vehicle. Obviously, you're going to get these malfunction codes if you, the customer, makes the mistake. But normally you start the vehicle up. Okay, insert your code, which we're going to change after the video. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for the double flash and obviously select your gear. And we're not going to get a call. Okay, really clever and straightforward to use. Okay, now customer wants to place it into valet mode. Basically how it works: main ignition on, obviously pass authorization with your code. Watch carefully. 2 flashes. And then hit the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. And that will confirm that it's gone into valet mode. Okay? This is speed dependent. If they go over 30 miles for 15 minutes and 1 second, it would jump out. And they would need the code, obviously, if they want to move the vehicle. Let's just confirm it's out of, should I say, it's in valet mode. Start the vehicle. Place it into gear. There you go, vehicle doesn't cut out and we don't get the phone call. Okay, so now to take it out of valet mode, when you get the vehicle back, main ignition on, you can start it if you want to, but I don't. Insert the code, wait for our double flash. There you go, it's come out of valet mode. Okay, just to confirm that, what we're going to do is we're going to start it, and then you'll see, as soon as we put it into gear, it was obviously cut out, and then I'll show you finally, if you don't make a mistake and do it correctly, you won't get all these error codes. Okay, that should be set now. Start the vehicle. Okay, just put the code in so just to show you don't get the error codes first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch carefully. System disarms and put into gear. No problem at all. Now customer makes a mistake. As I said, I tell a lot of my customers when we first fit, they're so used to just putting their foot on the brake, putting it into gear. It's a bit of a worry when they see all these error codes come up, but obviously we're immobilising the vehicle and this will happen. But if you don't make a mistake, it's not going to happen. So finally, let's just check it again. Start the vehicle up, put it into gear. Vehicle cuts out, and again, if you watch carefully, we're going to get our phone call. Watch carefully. There you go, it's calling us again. Okay, really simple, straightforward. Let's just answer it. As I said, this is the Ghost 2 call alert system that we fitted to this Audi. You can upgrade it on most of the Ghost 2s. If you want, give us a call. Number to me is 02890 60478, 02890 60478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.